Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a public investing app account. That way you can start investing your money and making money as well. If you have any questions throughout this video, then please leave them down in the comments below and I will answer every single one of them for you. If you want a free $5 worth of stock through the public investing app, then use my link down in the description to open up an account. Once you deposit money into the account, you will get that free $5. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and download the public investing app on whatever app store you use. But in this case, before you actually get started, you might want to have your ID ready to go because you're usually going to have to put some information in there that's on your driver's license as well. So keep that in mind. That way you don't get caught up throughout this process. Okay, now I have the public investing app opened. I'm going to go ahead and hit get started. Phone number. Next, they're going to text you a security code that you'll get. So you're going to go ahead and type that in right here just to verify that it's you. Because one thing to mention is that with this public investing app, they don't have a desktop platform, so you can't log in through a computer. You can only do it through your phone right now. I think they're going to probably upgrade it at some point to where you can hop on a computer to log into your account, but for now, it's all through your phone. Okay, now you have to put in your name. I would put your full name and then create a username for yourself as well. Then, of course, they need your email address and you have to create a password for your account. Next, they want you to add a photo if you really want to. I'm not going to right now. One thing one reason they like to do this is because the whole point of this public investing app is you get to follow other people that you know to see what they're buying and selling as well. So it's not just just you kind of making trades. You get to see what other people are doing if you choose to share that information with your friends. That's the whole point of the public investing app. They encourage being transparent with what you're buying and selling with people that you know, but once again, you don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, so it's going to look through your phone and it's going to see if anybody else that you know is actually using the app right now, so you can choose whether or not you want to follow those people. In this case, right now, I'm not going to follow anybody, or you can search your contacts list to find more friends. So like I said, right now, I'm not going to choose to follow anybody. I just want to initially open up an account and kind of play around with it a little bit more. If you're getting some value from this video, please do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button. Now this is where you can claim your free stock as well. So in this case, they give you a list of a few companies that you can actually purchase their stock, or whose stock you want to get for free. So in this case, they're going to give you up to $5 for whatever stock you choose. In this case, I am actually going to choose Disney. So I'm going to tap on that. And this is what I've picked. So I'll get $5 worth of Disney stock for free for just opening up a public investing app account. I keep forgetting to say that. Once again, you have to use my link down in the description to open up an account through that to get your free stock. So make sure you do that. So we'll hit next. Set up your investing account to redeem the free stock through Disney. So I'm going to hit next. Enable investing. Now, when's your birthday? So go ahead and type in your birthday right here. They want to know if you're a U.S. citizen. Yes. Now, these are usually common questions that a lot of these investing apps are going to ask you. So this isn't out of the ordinary. So keep that in mind. It's very safe. There's nothing to be worried about or scared of when you put this information in here. As long as it's a trusted investing app like this public investing app is, you shouldn't be too concerned. It's perfectly fine. They have to do this for regulatory purposes, so that way they can get you set up with an investing account. Marital status. How many dependents do you have? I don't have any. I don't have any kids right now, so I don't have any. These usually don't apply, but let us know if any of them do. If you have a family member that hits any of this criteria, then make sure you tap on it. In my case, I don't. Now, this is just, they have to know this. For, like I said, regulatory purposes. You need to disclose whether you know somebody or a family member hits any of these specific attributes. That way they can report it. That way they can make sure there's not any insider trading or anything like that going on. So in my case, I don't have anybody that hits these certain things right here. What do you do? I'm actually employed. Where do you work? So go ahead and put in your employer information, permanent address, and then they want to know your full legal name. Now this is, if you don't know your social security number, if it's on your driver's license. Actually, I don't even know if they put that stuff on driver's license anymore. Actually, I don't think they do. But if you know it, go ahead and put it in here. If not, go grab your social security card and put that number in here. Now you have to just accept some terms, which I'll just scroll down. I'm not going to read them. I'm going to hit I agree. You can decide whether or not you want to enable notifications. I personally don't like notifications on my phone, so I'm going to say absolutely not. Skip. So they're gonna submit your application and see whether you qualify, because sometimes you might not qualify if you might be too young, if you're under the age of 18. There are certain reasons that you wouldn't be able to qualify, but it's at least worth trying to open up an account to make sure that you qualify. Most people who are watching this video will, as long as you're over the age of 18, you shouldn't have any issues. What are your investment goals? So this is what they want. They want to get an idea of your investor profile. How risky do you usually invest? In my case, I'm investing for growth. How much investing experience do you have? I would consider myself an expert. What is your yearly income? So try to be as accurate as you can on this. If you're not sure, then kind of just guess, but I wouldn't lie on this thing, you know? So try to take your best guess to give them an idea of how much your yearly income is. What is your estimated net worth? Same idea. If you're not 100% sure, just kind of guess and tap one of the numbers here. That way it just gives them a basic understanding of what your net worth is. Okay, they also want to know the total value of your cash and liquid investments. So this means like cash in your bank account, cash that you can get to pretty easily. That's all that it means when they say your liquid investments. Next, they're going to ask you if you want to deposit money. If you're not ready to deposit money now, don't worry about it, but keep in mind to get that $5 worth of free stock that you chose before, you are going to have to deposit money. So you don't have to do it right away, but if you want to start investing, go ahead and do it soon. But if you're not ready, go ahead and close the app and you'll be good to go. But if you are ready to deposit money, I will show you how to do that in another video that I'll have linked up at the end of this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button before you go, and check out the links down below in the description of this video to get some more free stocks from different investing apps. Also, check out these other how-to investing app videos to your left and next. One of them will be showing you how to deposit money into your public investing app account. I'll see you in the next one, friends. Done.